Right, so we've been asked by Pews on Tour to give a quick review to Muk Junkie Caravan and Motorhome Cleaner. So, I'm going to give it a go today. I'm going to test it out on this panel that gets covered in muck and grime and road film and dead flies, and see how good it is. Quick spray on. Leave that for 5 minutes, we'll come back and wash it off. I've sprayed it on, agitated it, left it for about 5 minutes. It's going to wash it off now. Yeah, it's good.
It is good, isn't it? Wow, look at that. Do you recommend Muk Junkie?
Yeah, pleased with that actually. Good.
Get the rest of the vans on then.
Not today.
Chop chop.
Yeah, I recommend that. It's good. It's come up nice. Yeah.
At the bonnet. Try the bonnet that you've just sprayed. I sprayed this before. Wow, that's coming off easy, isn't it? That might be a scratch. Yeah.
Yeah, it's come up good that.
It has, isn't it? That has come up really good. Wow. Pleased with that. Thumbs up to Muk Junkie.
Yeah, definitely.